In the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, the students of class 2. I am your English teacher. My name is Anam. Now we start our new working. This is your English book, and the writer of the book is Eleanor Ward. So let's start. Open up page number 2, Unit 1, Family and Friends. Do you know about what is family and friends? In your family members, your parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters, all live together. They are family and friends in your neighbor, in your classroom, and also in your family. You have so many friends. Unit 1, lesson number 1. Listen and speak. A. Listen to your teacher, match the number to the name. Example, Fiza. First of all, we read the family member's name. Number 1 is Fiza. Number 2 is Sarah. Number 3 is Ali. Number 4 is Tom. Number 5 is mother. Number 6 is father. Number 7 is Tom's sister. Now we write numbers. Number 1 is Fiza. Ali is number 3. Sarah is number 2. Tom is number 4. Fiza's father is number 6. Tom's sister number 7. Fiza's mother number 5. B. Tell your friend what the people are doing and what they are wearing. You example, Fiza is skipping. She is wearing a red dress. So you can write sentences to look at the picture, and then you write some sentences what the people are doing and what they wearing. Like number 3 is Ali. Ali is playing with a football, and he is wearing red t-shirt and grey pant. Sarah is number 2. Sarah is reading a book, and she is wearing blue jeans and white t-shirt. Tom is riding a bicycle, and he is wearing yellow shirt and orange pant. You can also take help from page 98, and you can write some sentences about this picture in your notebook. Number C. Use the words in the boxes to describe Fiza's family. First example, Uncle Umar is tall and thin. He has dash. First you look this picture. These are 4 people. Look at them. Then you match this. Uncle Umar is. Look at Uncle Umar. Uncle Umar is tall and thin. Number 2, Auntie Frida. Look at Auntie Frida. Auntie Frida is short, quiet and fat. Match them. Look at Grandma. Grandma is quite old and short. Look at Grandpa. Grandpa is very old and thin. What the people has? Look at Grandpa. He has grey hair and moustache. Look at Uncle Umar. He has short hair and glasses. Now look at Auntie Frida. She has short curly hair and a book. Match them. Look at Grandma. She has long white hair and a stick. Now come to the page number 3. Unit 1, Lesson 2, Words and Phonics. A. Read this word. The sound of AR and A is the same. Car, cart, pop, farm, star, R. Here AR is the sound are same. L, L, H, H, M, B, grandpa, grandma. Here A sound is the same. Mother, father, sister, brother, teacher, flower. Here ER sound is the same. B. Now use the words to complete these sentences. Number 1. Grandpa has an old car. C-A-R, car. Number 2. It goes peep peep. It goes peep peep. Number 3. Sometimes grandpa and grandma drive to their farm. Here A sound is the same. Grandma and grandpa. Number 4. There are lots of sheep on the farm. Here AR sound is the same. Number 5. The sheep say b b. Number 6. At night they sleep under the stars. You can also see the picture here. Number C. Look at the family tree and complete the sentences with these words. This is a family. This is a family tree. Grandpa, grandma, daddy, mummy, uncle Umar, auntie Frida. And daddy, mummy has children Sarah, Ali, Fiza. These are words. You can fill this blank with these words. Example, Ali is Fiza, brother. Number 1, Sarah is Fiza, sister. Number 2, mummy is Fiza's. Look at mummy and Fiza. Mummy is Fiza's mother. Number 3, daddy is Fiza's father. Umar is Fiza's uncle. Frida is Fiza's auntie. Number 6, grandma is daddy mother. Number 7, grandpa is daddy father. Number 8, mummy is daddy's wife. Number 9, daddy is mummy's husband. Now come to the page number 4. Unit 1, Lesson 3, Reading Uncle Umar's Crocodiles. For A, as you read the story, ask yourself who says these words. Draw a line from the words to the name of a person who says them. How do you know what each person says? So, first we start reading. Number 1. Come on, my sweeties. Come and have your dinner. Who says this? Uncle Umar says to the crocodiles, come on, my sweeties. Come and have your dinner. Number 2. Who is sitting in the chair? Auntie Frida. And what Auntie Frida says? I don't like your crocodiles. I'm afraid they will eat my feet. And what Uncle Umar reply? Nonsense, dear. They are friendly, very friendly. Number 3. Why do you have those crocodiles, Umar? They smell bad. Who says this? Grandpa says to Uncle Umar. Why you have those crocodiles? They smell very bad. They frighten away the monkeys. Father, they frighten away my friends too, because Grandpa has monkeys and Uncle Umar has crocodiles. Number 4. Umar, I am afraid your crocodiles will eat my cat. Grandma says to Uncle Umar, why? I am afraid your crocodiles will eat my cat. And Uncle Umar says, no ma, crocodile like cats. Yes, for dinner, Grandma says. Come to the page number 5. You can't keep your crocodiles in the garden. You must take them away. We don't like them. All family members say to Uncle Umar, why you can keep the crocodiles in the garden? I don't like your crocodiles. Now Uncle Umar says, they are really very nice. Help! Can you hear something? I don't know. Where is the television? Grandma says, I don't know. Where is the television? Number 7. When they're watching the window, from window, a burglar has got a television and a crocodile has got the burglar. That's why the burglar says help, because crocodile catch the burglar leg. Number 8. Good to have a television, isn't it? Haha. Alright then, you can keep your crocodiles because crocodile help them to catch a burglar. That's why all family members says you can keep your crocodiles in their home. Now look at come to the previous page number 4. Now we match the sentences. Uncle Umar, crocodile are very nice. What Auntie Frida says? The crocodiles will eat my feet. Match them. The burglar says, help. Grandpa says, crocodiles smell bad. And Grandma says, the crocodiles will eat my cat. Now come to the exercise. Answer the question with short answer. You can read this reading. Example. Does Uncle Umar like crocodiles? Yes, he does. Number 1. Does Auntie Frida like crocodiles? No, she does not. Number 2, do Grandpa and Grandma like crocodiles? No, they do not. Number 3, does a burglar take the television? Yes, he does. Number 4, do Uncle Umar and Auntie Frida catch the burglar? No, they do not. Number 5, does a crocodile catch the burglar? Burglar? Yes, it is. Number 6, does Uncle Umar keep the crocodiles? Yes, she does. Do you like crocodiles? If you like, you can write, yes, I do. If you don't like, you like, I don't like. Students, come to the page number 4 again. Here are some difficult words. You can underline and you can do the dictation of these words and also learn the spellings. So underline the words: sweeties, dinner, crocodiles, afraid, nonsense, frightened, dinner. So you can do the dictation of these words. Now come to the C. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences using these words: night, morning, evening and afternoon. You can see the picture. In picture 1, it is morning because sun is rising. So it is morning. Number 3, you can see the sun. In picture 3, it is number 2, in picture 2, it is afternoon because sun is shining brightly. So it is afternoon. Number 3, in picture 3, it is evening because sun set. Number 4, in picture 4, it is night because moon and stars are shining. So it is night. Come to the page number 6. Unit 1, lesson number 4. Sentences. A. Use my, your, his, her, their or er to fill in the blanks. These are possessive pronouns. So what is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun is a pronoun which belongs to a person. Example: Uncle Umar, I love my crocodiles. They are nice. Because Uncle Umar loves their crocodiles. So he says, I love my crocodiles. Auntie Frida, well, I don't like your crocodiles. Please take them away. Uncle Umar, why? Auntie Frida, Grandma is afraid they will eat her cat. Uncle Umar, nonsense. Auntie Frida, Grandpa thinks they will frighten away his friend. We use his. Uncle Umar, the crocodiles stay in their pond. Auntie Frida, we don't like your crocodiles in our garden. Uncle Umar, it's my garden too. Number B. Look at the table about Tom's family. This is the table of Tom's family. Write sentences about what they do and do not like to do. Example: Tom likes drawing, riding a bicycle and reading. He doesn't like singing. Look at Tom. Tom likes drawing, riding a bicycle, reading, but he not take on singing, so he does not like. Look at Tom's mother. You can write 5 sentences about what the Tom's family like and what they do not like. Look, Tom's mother. Tom's mother she like singing, drawing and reading, but she does not like riding a bicycle. Look at Tom's father. Tom's father likes singing, riding a bicycle, reading, but he does not like drawing. Look, Tom's sister. Tom's sisters like singing, drawing, riding a bicycle, but she does not like reading. So you can write in your book, in your rough registers, 5 sentences about Tom's family. What does your friend like to do? Example: my friend like drawing. She does not like cricket. Write about what you like to do. Example, I like to singing a song. I like to playing cricket. So you can write here, I don't like to play cricket. So you can write what you like and what you does not like. Come to the page number 7. A. Unit 1, Lesson 5, Sentences. A. Find 7 sentences, put capital letters at the beginning and full stop at the end. You know about every sentence start with capital letter and end with full stop. Example, I have one sister and one brother. Here you can write, here the line is start, sentences start, so you can put a capital I and end with full stop. Next, my sister's name is Sarah. You can put capital M and after Sarah you can put full stop. She likes reading. You can put a capital S here and after reading you can put full stop. My brother's name is Ali. Here you put a capital M and he likes playing on his computer. You can put a capital he here. Our friend's name is Tom. You can put capital O and after Tom you can put full stop. He likes riding a bicycle. You can put H capital. B. Use some of the words in the boxes below to describe yourself. I am quite tall or short. I have long or short hair. Straight curly hair, glasses. I have a white, blue, yellow shirt, black, brown, white shoes, a green, red or orange bag. So what you have, so you can mark on them. I like or what I don't like. I like computers, animals, car, flowers. I like mangoes, ice cream, pizza, cake. I don't like ice cream. I like singing, skipping, reading, running. So what you like, you can tick them. I don't like playing football. I like watching TV. I riding a bicycle. I like drawing picture. So you can write your to describe yourself and put a tick mark. Now come to the page number 8. Unit 1, Lesson 6, Reading I'm Busy. A. As you read the story, ask yourself, was Will telling the truth? After telling a story, read a story, then you write answer. Was Will telling the truth or not? Wow. Number 1. Wow. There's a flying elephant in the garden. Number 2. Mum, a flying elephant is pulling up the trees. I'm busy. Now will tell your father. Now will come to the father. He said, a flying elephant standing on your car. Not now will tell your brother. Now will come to the brother. Hey, a flying elephant is breaking your guitar. I'm busy now. Will tell your sister. Now will come to the sister. Look, a flying elephant taking your new top. I'm busy now. Will go and play with the elephant. 6. My garden. Oh no, my guitar. My car. Ah, my new top. Now tell, was Will telling the truth? Yes, Will is telling the truth, but all the family member is busy. Now come to the page number 9. Unit 1, Lesson 7, Sentence and Writing. What were they doing? Ask and answer 5 questions about the people in the story. Example, what was Will doing? He was playing football. Question number 2, write in your registers. What was Mummy doing? Look at Mummy. She was cooking food. What was Daddy doing? Look at Daddy. He was watching TV. What was Will's sister doing? Look at Will's sister. She was reading book. Look at Will brother. What Will brother doing? He was playing game. Where were they? Ask in 5 more questions like this. Example, where was Will? He was in the garden. So you can make a question like this. Where was Mummy? Look at Mummy. She was in the kitchen. Where was Daddy? He was in the TV room. Where was Will's sister? She was in her bedroom. And look at Will brother. Where was Will brother? He was in his bedroom. Now see, write sentences about the story in your notebook. Example, the flying elephant flew away with Will. What the flying elephant do? The flying elephant flew away with Will. Match it. The flying elephant broke a guitar. The flying elephant took a new top. The flying elephant stood on the car. The flying elephant pulled up the trees. Fill in the missing words. Use the plan to make your own story. First draw pictures, then write what the people say in speech bubble. Look at this story and look at these pictures and then you write this story. Number 1. I was eating mangoes when the lion came to lunch. I said, I love your hair. Number 2. My father was watering the garden. He said, don't ruin my flower. Number 3. My mother was looking outside. She said, help. 4. My sister was reading a book. She said, I'm busy. 5. My brother was playing cricket. He said, I'm busy. 6. In the end, the lion came in and became a friend. Students, hope you are getting Unit 1. So you can do this work very carefully and also learn the dictation words of difficult. These words are enhance your vocabulary.